गुड मॉर्निंग सगळे गोंयकार. कुशीक दिलेलो हा तो न्यूज आर्टिकल पळया. 3 arrested for theft of ancient idols in Sankeli temple. आणि कितें बरयलां तें पळय. For allegedly stealing extremely ancient and colossally valuable idols of Devi Annapurna, Lord Ganpati and Lord Maruti from the temple premises of 24th May on 24th May. आता ऐका रे कोण जोड्डे आनी बोड्डे पळय हा इगोजेच्या कमिटीचेर देवळाच्या कमिटीचेर तुम्ही कमिटी मेंबर कित्याक जाल्या रे आनी प्रेसिडेंट कित्याक जाल्या MLAचे पयशे मेळटले म्हणून रिमेंबर दीज आर प्लेसीस ऑफ वर्शिप and you are a bloody servant. आता ऐका कितें करूंक जाय पळय ते सगळे देवळाचे कमिटी आनी इगोजेचे. We didn't have World War I and World War II here in Goa. Most of the idols, either Hindu or Catholic, are over 200-300 years old. हिंदूचे म्हाका दिसता आनी कितकी सुबेज आसा जातली 500,000 पासून जावंक शकता. Now if you bloody buggers don't know, this fetches millions of dollars in auction houses in Europe. Now, I expect each and every Devulachi committee and church committee to click pictures of all those idols that they have in their places of worship and keep a record of them. And I'm requesting the committee of this देऊळ कोणाशीन तो ते पिक्चर काडलेले हा जाल्यार ते एकठांय करा. आनी आर्ट अँड कल्चर मिनिस्टर कोण हा तो नोको हांव तेजेर एक कूट मारा तेका ते फोटो दिया अँड टेल हिम टू गेट द एड्रेसीस ऑफ ऑल मेजर ऑक्शन हाऊसेस इन युरोप अँड सेंड देम अ रजिस्टर्ड लेटर सो दे हॅव द एक्नॉलेजमेंट आणि तांकां इन्फॉर्म करून सांगपाचें हालो बाबा हे मुर्त्यो पळय आहा ते आमच्या गोंयच्या टेम्पलांतल्यो चोरल्या. प्लीज इफ इट कम्स टू युअर नोटीस ऑर इट इज ब्रॉट टू यू फॉर सेल, स्टॉप इट. And then appeal to Narendra Modi to bring this back to Goa. Police case केली जाल्या काबार. Where is it going to be sold? In Goa? No. In India? No. Not when they're fetching millions of dollars in auction houses in Europe. Okay? And if you have not informed all the major auction houses in Europe, together with pictures of this, I don't know म्हणटा ते. Art and Culture Minister कोण ने holding होता आता? Straight away. Police, please request the villagers there, if they have these pictures of these idols, to produce them. Give it to the Art and Culture Minister and the people of Goa. Prajal Sakardande, Koot marre tejer, and tell him to write to all the major auction houses in the world and inform them that these statues are stolen from Goa and make sure they come back. This is not only with Hindu statues, this is with our Catholic statues also. And also I'm warning all the temple committees and church committees. Festank जात्रांक तुम्ही घे म्हणून पैसे मोडटात. Can't you put a very good CCTV camera system? तुमच्या शेजाऱ्यागेर दवरूंक येता, क्लाउडाचेरूय आसतलें तें. And you can watch this, protect your heritage and your ancient idols. जात्रा कितकेच पयशे मोडटा आनी एका फेस्तांक कितकेच मोडटा मरे तुमी. आयडल ना जालो म्हणून कोणाक कोत्तले? खंयच्या पॉलिटिशियनांक उबो करतले कितें रे थी आनी तेजी पुजा कोत्तले? Art and Culture Minister, who I don't know who is holding the portfolio. Get going, inform all the major auction houses in the world, together with photos of these idols. And कोण पळय historian हा आनी कोण पळय interested in preserving the cultural identity of Goa, be it statues or whatever, force the government to write to those auction houses and demand to see what they have written by